Hey guys, how nice to see you again. Welcome to my channel. This is Daisy. I hope you're all well. Today's recipe is one of my friends' requests. She's asked me to do some more paneer dishes. I'm going to start with a fairly easy one, and that's scrambled paneer, because it is a bit like scrambled egg. So you could get those ingredients fairly easy, and it's quite quick to make as well. You can eat it anytime, breakfast time, lunch time. You can eat it with wraps, naan, roti, and you can also use it as fillings for the sandwiches. Let me talk you through the recipe, but first I'll show you what ingredients we need. Okay guys, so for today's recipe, that is scrambled paneer, we are going to use about 200 gram of paneer in here. This is homemade paneer, or you could buy the shop bought and scramble it like that. Just make it into this texture. We will use about 2 medium-sized tomatoes. We need some ghee, some salt. This is chopped coriander, green chili, and the spices you'll be using are 1 large onion. It's already chopped. So that's ginger and garlic paste. Cumin seed will need about 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder and chili powder. So these are the ingredients we'll be using. Okay guys, so I'm using tomatoes to go in the scrambled paneer. You could use peppers. Pepper is quite popular. It's something that people quite like with this dish, and you could also add sweet corn. Hey guys, I always have my scented candles or sandal stick on when I'm cooking. You just give the kitchen a nice smell and just make you feel relaxed, and the food, when you're relaxed and you're happy, you're cooking, always turns out to be tasty, and it's good for your body and it's good for your soul. The scented candle on, let's start cooking. So the pan is heating, all the ingredients are ready. We'll just wait for it to heat up. We are going to use ghee today instead of oil, because when you're cooking milk products like paneer, ghee works a treat with it, so it just enhances the taste more. I'm just going to put in some ghee, let's say 2 tablespoons. Let it heat up. Right, so next thing we're going to put some jeera. I like to put the jeera before I put the onion. I like it to crackle a little bit. So 1 teaspoon of jeera. Next thing to go in are the onions, 1 medium-sized onion. Here the important thing is not to let the onion go brown, because we're not looking to fry it, we just want it to be a bit translucent. If you think it's frying too quick, you could also just reduce the flame. Okay, I think the onion's ready. I had to reduce the heat because the ghee was too hot. Yeah, now that it's translucent, I'm just going to add in the ginger and garlic paste. The ghee smells lovely. Divine. Put the chili in. Teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Just give it a stir. And now we'll put the tomatoes in. That's 2 medium tomatoes. So we don't want it to get too mushy here. Just want to keep the texture. Get some salt in. Start with a little bit. and then you can taste it and add more if you need to. There you go. So we've got the salt in. Let it cook a little bit. As I said, we don't want it too mushy. Okay. At this point, the flame is on medium because I don't want it to burn too quickly. So now we can put in the paneer, the scrambled paneer. 200 grams of paneer. And give it a good stir. The cooking time is really quick. The prep takes a bit longer. Look at that color. Wow. But it looks so tasty. So delicious. You could taste and see if the salt was enough. If not, then you can add some more. Wow, this is nearly done. I'm just going to add the coriander, the chopped coriander now, and switch off the flame. Basically, that's it. Stir it. That's it, guys. I've switched off the flame. It's all done now. Right, okay, so we're just gonna dish out and make a few paratha to go with this, and then we'll serve. As simple as that. Here we go, guys. The scrambled paneer is ready. And I'm just going to enjoy it with nice and hot paratha. So I hope you did like what you saw here and you're willing to try. So please let me know how you get on if you're going to try this. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really gives me an encouragement to do more videos and bring you more recipes. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye.